If you want to learn how to trade just like me, join the community, click the private Discord link, sign up through this membership level, and you will gain access to weekly group mentorship calls for free. Absolutely incredible from Hbar. Just like that, we start getting pumping again. If you remember from yesterday's update, we were around this area over here. I think exactly at the 0.5 Fibonacci, and what I was suggesting is that this reclaim is extremely bullish and we yet to actually get the continuation of this EMA repel. It's extremely bullish that we reclaimed the moving averages just before they were about to form a bearish cross, signaling a dump to the 200 EMA. We saw the loss of the 20, we saw the loss of the 55. You would then assume it's heading to the 200 EMA. We would then consider that the bottom of this uptrend. We can see that right now, you didn't need to get down to there to actually flip back bullish. Why? Because we never formed the bearish cross. That is what you need to see for confirmation of a retest of the bottom of our uptrend. And then in turn, later on, you could eventually lose it, but it doesn't need to. In fact, even before this bearish cross even appeared, we pumped back above, reclaiming it, confirming it as support. And my video being made yesterday was right over there, and I was suggesting that now that we've reclaimed the moving averages and confirmed them as support, I'm expecting a move up that breaks this high simply because of this EMA repel. This is a suggestion of uptrend continuation, which is higher highs and higher lows. So that is why in yesterday's update we were already talking about a 10-cent Hbar going forward, and since my update we pumped, of course it's been moving a little bit during this video, that's why I've been moving it, but we've pumped 12% and peaking out at about 13% earlier today. Absolutely incredible. Another day, another 10%. Keep saying that on Injective and VeChain. I'm loving these cryptos going up at the moment. We've been dying for this the past 2 years. Honestly, those past 2 years alienated my feelings from crypto. When I first got in, it was just before the move up, got in around 9k per Bitcoin. Then it started moving, absolutely incredible, and I only experienced up only from there. Got out quite early on certain alts, got out of all of my alts once Bitcoin lost $40,000, started investing at 15 to 25k, and the rest is absolutely history. So it's been an absolutely great past 2 years in terms of setting myself up for this bull market, but it's been an absolutely long and grueling process that alienated my feelings that I had in the bull market, where you wake up, money, you sleep, money, wake up, money, sleep, money, and we just never had that feeling for the past 2 years. So I was always thinking, will it ever come? The time has come, and this is only the first part of the bull market, guys. There's going to be a time where Hbar does top out in these next few months, and it could get really long again, but eventually, you know, towards the end of next year, halfway through next year, towards the end of next year, we will get going again, experiencing these gains every single day, just as we are at the moment. And there's still time to continue pumping because we've broken out of this 1 fib level. We created the EMA repel, never actually flipping or confirming the bearish move down. It's essentially just been a fake move to throw people off, to make people sell, and then we've just invalidated that potential bearish cross, forming this EMA repel, which is a suggestion that price will continue beyond this high and head to these technical targets next for Hbar. Now, make sure if you haven't already to like, subscribe, comment, and share, because we're under 100 subs away from 7.5k, and that has been a target of mine since we hit 7k at the beginning of this month. So I cannot believe that we've gained 400 subscribers in 20 days. Thank you for the continued support. Let's head to the 5-day time frame. And if you remember from my update, I think last week we spoke about this potential 200% move, obviously when I was recording the video. Now from where we are, it's not a 200% move. So you've already seen we've been making gains if you've just been following these updates, or just as a holder of Hbar. Hopefully I am helping people that are new to Hbar and helping them make money. But please do understand that nothing in these videos is financial, or it's nothing here is financial advice. It's literally what I'm seeing in the market, the messages that I'm getting from the markets. I'm telling you the story. You go ahead and do what you want with that info. I'm also telling you what I'm personally doing as well. So my anticipation is, now that we're starting to break out, we need to see again the 5-day close above this point. It isn't the weekly time frame, it's the 5-day time frame. The closes are a little bit different, and this candle of course begun on Sunday the 17th. So we just need to wait for this close pretty much the end of tomorrow, and then if it is above this yellow line of resistance and the 200 EMA, we would have validated this bullish breakout, a newly formed bull market, because the 200 EMA acts as our top of our bear market essentially. So as soon as we went underneath here, as long as it's our resistance, we are in a bear market. We need to spot bullish patterns that form underneath this point, ready for when this breaks to enter a bull market, and it will also have targets to the upside, which from today's current price would be a further 140% to our 22-cent technical target. I would try and find the video from last week if you haven't watched it already, but essentially at that point of meeting this target, and earlier in this video I was suggesting, there is going to be a time around the corner in the next few months where we do top out and everything is like glum again, like it's all, nothing's happening. It's not going to be a happy place when that happens. Pretty much everyone's going to say it's over, it was all a scam. You're going to see your crypto capo, whatever his name is, he's going to say, I told you so, biggest bull trap in history, and then we're just going to put in that higher low like that and get that continuation. But this could take the whole, like a year from now, maybe not a year from now, this could take 9 months, this whole process of going up, coming down, going up again, or just getting back up to that same price point. It could take 9 months from here to do the things that we need to do to get that second part of the bull market. This is the first part, and there's still space to make money, as I explained on the lower time frames. And we've also got a technical target to the upside, and it could take some months to get up there. Hopefully it's in weeks, hopefully it's in days and weeks, but could be taking some months. And then at that point, expecting a dump back down to this double bottom neckline, could take some months after. And that's why it could take like 9 months to a year to really get back to our all-time high over here. I think it'd take probably another year to get back to our all-time high, but this is not where we're considering the bull market top to be. So guys, there's a lot of gains ahead. Hopefully you've been packing your bags, and we're just waiting for this right now to break so we can head to 22 cent next. Cheers everyone. Like, subscribe, comment and share, and if you want to get educated, use the links down below. I've got a whole bunch of educational content, and over here on the website you can see loads of other people taking action recently. If you want to get educated, simply scroll underneath the video, click take action or Linktree, and click the option that you want to read more about, or private message me on Twitter. Let's start off with the ebook. This is where you can take action on my ebook, teaches the exact strategy. Head over to the membership level if you want to become a Discord channel member, where you have access to 2 weekly group mentorship calls, or if you want to take action on my 6-hour long pre-recorded course, there's an offer here, and you do get Discord chat for 2 months totally free. Here is my beginner one-to-one mentorship plan, which includes 3 hours of my one-to-one help, the course, and 2 months free in the chat. And there are some other plans here for 5 or 10 hours of my one-to-one help. Use the links down below to private message me on Twitter, or head straight to the website using one of these links to take action. Cheers.